Hello everyone! Today I'll show you the best way to learn English. We'll learn English through conversation. It's an easy and fun way to practice English. You'll hear real English conversation. It will help you speak English better every day. So let's start learning English together. Hello, are you free?
Yes, where to?
To the city center, please.
Okay, get in.
How much to the city?
Around 20 reals.
Can you make it 15?
Sorry, 20 is fixed.
All right, let's go. Please wear your seatbelt.
Sure, done. Do you want the AC on?
Yes, please.
Fast or normal speed?
Normal is fine.
Okay, sit comfortably.
Thanks.
Do you know the exact place?
Yes, near the big mall.
Got it.
Please drive carefully.
Don't worry, I always do.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Do you live in this area?
Yes, near the station.
Ah, I see.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, every single day.
That's a tough job.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
You drive really well.
Thank you so much.
Can you turn left here? Sure. Stop near that shop.
Okay, here?
Yes, perfect. You can pay here. Here's your money.
Thank you.
Keep the change. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Have a good day. You too.